Unity is strength. The story of three brothers. Once upon a time, in a village built among lush green valleys, there lived three brothers named Ali, Veli and Ahmet. When their father passed away, he left them a jug and said, "Only together can you solve the secret in this jug without breaking it." However, the three brothers forgot their father's words and fought constantly. Ali said, "I am the strongest, the jug is mine." Veli said, "No, I am the smartest, it belongs to me." Ahmet said, "Let's not share the gold in it." Finally, they decided to break the jug. Just as they were about to break the jug, the old wise man of the village, Grandfather Sultan, stopped them. "Wait, my children. Your father left this jug to teach you a lesson in unity. If you break it, you will never learn the secret." Grandfather Sultan gave them 3 tasks to test. Keycap 1, take that huge rock to the village square. Keycap 2, draw water from that well, but the bucket is leaky. Keycap 3, get out of that dark cave, but there is only one torch. The brothers first tried separately, but failed. Ali tried to push the huge rock by himself, but couldn't even move it. Veli tried to carry water with a leaky bucket, but it came up empty. Ahmet walked through the cave alone, but turned back out of fear. Then Grandfather Sultan asked, "Why don't you try unity?" Miracle in unity. This time the 3 brothers joined forces. They all pushed the rock together and rolled it to the village square. One covered the hole in the bucket with his finger, the other filled it with water. They held the torch in front and left the cave hand in hand. Grandfather Sultan smiled and said, "See, there is nothing impossible when there is unity. This is the secret of the jug." They opened the jug and a note inside read, "My sons, the real treasure is the love in your hearts. Unity is strength." From that day on, the 3 brothers were never separated and their village resisted the enemies together.